Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome back to the Daily House Ideas, where we transform houses into heartwarming homes. I'm absolutely thrilled you're here today because we're diving into one of my favorite topics, creating that perfect modern farmhouse, Christmas aesthetic. If you're dreaming of cozy holiday neutrals mixed with rustic charm, you're in for such a treat. Before we begin this magical journey together, please hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. It truly helps our little design community grow. And don't forget to share your favorite farmhouse Christmas ideas in the comments below. Let's start where your guest's Christmas journey begins, your home's exterior. The modern farmhouse facade during Christmas should whisper elegance while shouting warmth. Think crisp white or soft cream siding adorned with natural greenery garlands framing your front door. Add battery-operated warm white string lights woven through fresh cedar boughs for that magical glow. A vintage-inspired wreath with eucalyptus, white berries, and burlap ribbon creates the perfect focal point. Consider adding matching planters with winter greenery and birch branches for height variation. This approach maintains the clean lines of modern farmhouse style while embracing Christmas tradition. Your entryway sets the entire Christmas mood, so let's make it absolutely stunning. Start with a rustic wooden bench topped with cozy plaid cushions, perfect for removing snowy boots while adding festive charm. Install simple black hooks at varying heights for coats and scarves, then add a galvanized metal basket below for winter accessories. A reclaimed wood mirror with a small garland drape across the top reflects light beautifully. Place a vintage-style jute mat with subtle holiday messaging at the entrance. Complete the look with a small wooden tray on the bench holding pinnacones, battery candles, and keys, functional yet festive. The living room becomes your Christmas sanctuary with these thoughtful touches. Swap regular throw pillows for cream, sage green, and soft plaid options in natural fabrics like linen and wool. Drape a chunky knit throw over your neutral sofa. It's both practical and picture perfect. Create a stunning mantle display using varying heights of white and cream candles, fresh greenery, and vintage brass candlesticks. Add wooden Christmas trees in different sizes along the hearth. A large jute rug grounds the space while maintaining the organic farmhouse feel. String simple greenery garlands along doorways and windows for continuous holiday magic throughout the room. Your farmhouse dining room should invite lingering conversations over holiday meals. Center your wooden table with a lush garland runner incorporating eucalyptus, white pine, and subtle white flowers. Intersperse pillar candles and glass hurricanes for romantic lighting. Safety first with those beautiful flames. Use natural woven placemats paired with cream or sage green napkins tied with twine. Mix vintage brass and wooden chargers for authentic farmhouse appeal. Add small potted rosemary plants as both decoration and future cooking herbs. Hang a simple wreath on any bare wall, and consider draping garland across your chandelier or pendant lights for overhead magic that doesn't overwhelm the space. The farmhouse kitchen during Christmas should feel lived in and loved. Style open shelving with white dishes interspersed with small evergreen sprigs and battery-operated fairy lights. Place a beautiful wooden cutting board against the backsplash, leaning casually with a small arrangement of pinnacones and greenery. Add a vintage-inspired crock filled with wooden spoons and fresh rosemary sprigs near the stove. Your coffee station deserves special attention. Range your machine with a small chalkboard sign reading hot cocoa and Christmas wishes. Drape a subtle garland along upper cabinets, securing with small command hooks. A simple bowl of oranges studded with cloves provides natural fragrance and authentic farmhouse charm. Transform your family room into the ultimate Christmas retreat where memories are made. Range comfortable seating around your flat-screen TV, but soften the technology with natural elements. Create a cozy corner with floor cushions in neutral tones and a vintage wooden crate serving as a side table. Fill it with holiday books, soft blankets, and battery candles for evening ambience. Add a tall basket filled with rolled blankets, both functional and stylish. Consider a small side table with hot cocoa supplies and Christmas cookies for spontaneous treat moments. The key is balancing modern convenience with farmhouse warmth, creating spaces where families naturally gather during the magical holiday season. Who says your workspace can't embrace Christmas magic? Create a farmhouse office corner that inspires holiday productivity. Position a simple wooden desk near a window for natural light. Then add a small vintage radio for background Christmas music. A unique small desk clock becomes both functional and decorative. Look for wooden or brass finishes that complement farmhouse aesthetics. Add a small mason jar filled with pencils and topped with a sprig of greenery. A corkboard wrapped in burlap showcases holiday cards and family photos beautifully. Keep decorations minimal and meaningful. Perhaps a small succulent in a galvanized pot or battery-operated string lights framing your workspace for evening inspiration. Every farmhouse needs a dedicated reading sanctuary, especially during the cozy Christmas season. Create this magical corner with a comfortable armchair and neutral upholstery. Think cream, oatmeal, or soft gray tones. Add a chunky knit throw drape over one arm and a small side table holding your current holiday read. A vintage-style floor lamp with warm Edison bulb provides perfect reading light while maintaining rustic charm. Place a small basket nearby filled with additional holiday books and magazines. Add a small wooden stool that doubles as extra seating or a footrest. A wall-mounted wooden shelf displays a few carefully chosen books spine out, creating visual interest and easy access to favorites. Your farmhouse bedroom should be a peaceful Christmas refuge after busy holiday days. Keep decorations subtle and soothing. Think white and cream color palette with natural wood accents. Swap regular bedding for cozy flannel sheets in soft plaid or cream tones. Add extra throw pillows in varying textures like fox fur, linen, and cable knit. A simple garland draped across the headboard or along a window creates gentle holiday spirit without overwhelming the restful atmosphere. Place battery candles on nightstands for soft evening glow. A vintage-style wooden ladder against the wall holds extra throws and creates vertical interest. Keep scents natural with small sachets of lavender and pine tucked into dresser drawers. Even the farmhouse bathroom deserves gentle Christmas magic. Focus on small, impactful changes that maintain the space's functionality. Replace regular towels with cream or soft green options in plush textures. Add a small mason jar filled with eucalyptus stems near the sink. They love humidity and provide natural fragrance. A vintage-style soap dispenser filled with holiday hand soap adds both function and style. Place battery candles safely away from water sources for ambient lighting during evening routines. A small wooden tray on the vanity holds everyday essentials while maintaining organization. Consider a subtle wall hanging with natural elements like a small wreath made from preserved eucalyptus and white berries. The farmhouse garage might seem unlikely for Christmas decor, but thoughtful organization creates surprising charm. Install wooden shelving units for holiday storage boxes, clearly labeled with vintage-style tags. Hang tools on a rustic pegboard painted in soft sage or cream tones. Create a dedicated area for outdoor Christmas decorations with galvanized metal containers and wooden crates. A simple workbench doubles as gift trapping station during December. Add a vintage-inspired lamp in small containers for ribbons and tags. Even utilitarian spaces benefit from farmhouse touches like rope details, wooden accents, and organized systems that make holiday preparation enjoyable rather than stressful. Extend your farmhouse Christmas magic to outdoor living spaces. Weather-resistant elements are key for patio success. Range outdoor furniture with weatherproof cushions in neutral tones, adding cozy blankets for chilly evenings. String warm white lights overhead between posts or trees for magical ambience. Large galvanized planters filled with winter greenery, birch branches, and battery lights create stunning focal points. Add a weather-resistant rug to define the seating area and provide warmth underfoot. Consider a portable fire pit for gathering warmth and s'mores opportunities. Wind-resistant candles and glass hurricanes provide intimate lighting while withstanding outdoor breezes. This creates a seamless indoor outdoor flow that's quintessentially farmhouse. Let's talk about why neutral Christmas palettes work so beautifully in farmhouse settings. Neutral colors create a timeless foundation that won't feel dated after the holidays. Creams, soft whites, sage greens, and warm beiges provide sophistication while maintaining cozy comfort. These hues reflect natural light beautifully, making spaces feel larger and more inviting. They also allow natural textures like wood, jute, and linen to shine as the true stars. Neutral palettes photograph beautifully for those Instagram moments while creating serene environments that promote relaxation during busy holiday seasons. The psychology behind these colors promotes feelings of peace, warmth, and welcome, exactly what farmhouse Christmas should embody. Texture layering is the secret sauce that elevates farmhouse Christmas decor from simple to spectacular. Combine smooth elements like glass candle holders with rough textures like burlap ribbon and jute rope. Mix soft fabrics like chunky knit throws with harder surfaces like reclaimed wood and galvanized metal. Natural elements like pinnacones, branches, and dried flowers add organic texture that feels authentically farmhouse. Vary your textures within the same color family to create depth without visual chaos. For example, combine cream linen napkins with ivory candles and off-white ceramic dishes. This approach creates sophisticated layering that feels intentional rather than cluttered, achieving that coveted effortless elegance that defines modern farmhouse style. Proper lighting transforms your farmhouse Christmas decor from pretty to absolutely magical. Layer different light sources for maximum impact. Combine overhead lighting with table lamps, candles, and string lights. Warm white LED bulbs mimic candlelight while being safer for extended use. Battery-operated fairy lights hidden within garlands create subtle sparkle without visible cords. Edison bulb fixtures maintain industrial farmhouse charm while providing functional illumination. Candles in glass hurricanes or lanterns add romance and can be safely used throughout the home. Consider dimmer switches for overhead lights to adjust ambience throughout the day. The goal is creating cozy pools of light that invite gathering while maintaining the clean, uncluttered aesthetic that defines modern farmhouse style. Creating stunning farmhouse Christmas decor doesn't require breaking the bank. Focus on natural elements you can gather yourself: pinnacones, branches, and greenery from your yard or local parks. Dollar store glass hurricanes become elegant candle holders with the right styling. Thrift store finds like vintage books, wooden bowls, and brass candlesticks add authentic character for fraction of retail prices. Dye projects using burlap, twine, and mason jars create custom pieces that perfectly match your style. Repurpose items you already own. Fill vintage crocks with gathered branches, use kitchen linens as table runners, and arrange everyday dishes in festive ways. The farmhouse aesthetic celebrates imperfection and authenticity, making affordable options feel intentionally chosen rather than budget-driven. Smart farmhouse decorators plan beyond Christmas for seamless seasonal transitions. Choose base elements that work from Thanksgiving through Valentine's Day. Think neutral garlands, wooden elements, and cozy textiles. Swap out specifically Christmas items like red berries for winter elements like white branches and pinnacones. Candles and string lights provide warmth throughout winter months. Natural greenery can transition from Christmas pine to winter eucalyptus and branches. This approach maximizes your decorating investment while maintaining fresh, seasonal appeal. Store transition pieces together for easy swapping, and take photos of successful arrangements for future reference. The goal is creating a cohesive winter wonderland that feels intentional throughout the season rather than hastily assembled. Maintaining your farmhouse Christmas decor ensures it stays beautiful throughout the season. Fresh greenery requires regular misting and trimming of brown edges. Place arrangements away from heat sources to extend life. Battery-operated lights need regular checking and spare batteries kept handy. Candles should be trimmed to 1/4-inch wicks and never left unattended. Natural elements like pinnacones and branches may shed, so regular vacuuming keeps spaces tidy. Rotate candles and rearrange small items occasionally to prevent dust buildup and maintain visual interest. Check string lights for damaged bulbs that could create fire hazards. The farmhouse aesthetic embraces some natural aging and patina, but basic maintenance keeps your holiday haven safe and beautiful for family and guests to enjoy. Want to photograph your farmhouse Christmas decor like a pro? Natural lighting during golden hours creates the most flattering images. Shoot near windows during late afternoon for warm, cozy vibes. Layer your styling with odd numbers of items for visual balance. Group candles in 3s or 5s rather than pairs. Create depth by arranging items at different heights using books, wooden risers, or varied candlestick heights. Include some negative space arrangements to prevent cluttered appearances in photos. Shoot from multiple angles to capture different perspectives of your beautiful work. Consider the rule of thirds when composing shots. And don't forget detailed shots of texture combinations and candlelight. These images become treasured memories and inspiration for future holiday seasons. The most beautiful farmhouse Christmas decor reflects your family's personality and traditions. Incorporate meaningful items like grandmother's vintage ornaments, handmade crafts from children, or souvenirs from special trips. Display family photos in simple wooden frames throughout your holiday vignettes. Create new traditions like annual ornament making or cookie decorating that add personal stories to your decor. Use items that reflect your hobbies or interests. Vintage books for readers, small tools for gardeners, or musical instruments for music lovers. The farmhouse aesthetic celebrates authenticity over perfection, so embrace items that tell your unique story. These personal touches transform generic decor into meaningful celebrations of your family's Christmas journey. What an incredible journey we've taken together through modern farmhouse Christmas magic. From welcoming facade touches to cozy reading nooks, we've explored how neutral palettes and rustic elements create the most inviting holiday spaces. Remember, the best farmhouse Christmas decor feels authentically yours. Embrace imperfection, celebrate natural beauty, and focus on creating spaces where memories are made. I hope you're feeling inspired to try some of these ideas in your own home this season. Please don't forget to subscribe to the Daily House Ideas for weekly design inspiration. Give this video a big thumbs up if it sparked your creativity, and share your farmhouse Christmas transformations in the comments below. I absolutely love seeing your beautiful spaces. Until next time, keep creating magic in your everyday spaces.